The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro BOV 900 BSS is a versatile and efficient countertop appliance, designed to help you achieve precise cooking results with ease. Featuring Breville's Element IQ system, this oven uses 5 independent quartz elements, alongside smart algorithms, to steer heat where it's needed most. This allows for precise, even cooking with no cold spots, ensuring your food turns out perfectly every time. Plus, the digital PID temperature control ensures an accurate cooking environment. This oven is not only an air fryer, but it also includes multiple cooking functions to handle a wide variety of dishes. With a total of 13 cooking functions, you can toast, bake, broil, roast, air fry, and even dehydrate up to 4 trays of food simultaneously. Whether you're cooking a family meal or dehydrating snacks, this oven has the versatility to meet all your cooking needs. Thanks to its Super Convection technology, the oven's 2-speed fan provides a greater volume of hot air to ensure fast and even heat distribution. This feature significantly reduces cooking time by up to 30%, making it a great option for busy households. The oven also comes with an adjustable rack that allows you to customize the space for different foods. In terms of capacity, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is spacious enough to handle 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, or a 5-quart Dutch oven. It's perfect for cooking large meals and fits most 9x 13-inch pans and 12-cup muffin trays. The interior oven light makes it easy to check your food without opening the door, and the light automatically turns on at the end of the cooking cycle. Built with brushed stainless steel, this oven is both stylish and durable. It also has an easy-to-use knob control for effortless operation. With 1,800 watts of power, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is ready to tackle any cooking challenge. Check the price and details in the description below to make this versatile oven yours today.